Hello amazing learner. Today in this video we will discuss the quantum number. The quantum number are a set of numbers used to describe the energy, positions and spin of the electrons in an atom. Types of quantum number. First, principal quantum number. It is represented by small n and it describes the energy level or the shell of an electron. Second, azimuthal quantum number. It is represented by small l. It describes the orbital shape and is related to the angular momentum. Third, magnetic quantum number. It is represented by small m. It describes the orientation of an orbital in the space. Fourth, spin quantum number. It is represented by small s. It describes the spin of an electron. So the quantum numbers are used to describe the behavior and properties of electron in an atom and are essential for understanding atomic structure and chemical bonding. Please like, subscribe this video. Thanks for watching.